guys, my name is Kirsty. This is my tita. Today I need a makeup.
Okay.
Now,
First,
is the
powder. Show people
Powder.
the word of powder.
powder.
Okay.
Now, put my face.
Okay.
Put the powder in the cover.
And then show the people
How?
to do it.
Put the powder here.
And
Then put a little bit of powder. How you do it?
show guys your brush.
Brush. This is my brush. Put na ako brush. Yes, put my face.
Oh, sorry.
Guys, look at my face.
No.
Next one.
Put it in the neck.
Put my neck. Now,
Show the guys your other brushes.
Oh,
Your everything. Show that your brushes.
I got the new eyeglasses. I got the biggest eyeglasses in the world. There are many more.
Yeah, let's put it on your eyes. Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow.
Baby.
Now, put on my eyes here,
Show your eyes.
guys.
Let me finish the other one. Here.
Look at my face. It's a pea. Now the eyebrows.
Next, eyebrow.
I don't do tattoo brown.
Close your eyes.
Brownie.
Show guys your eyebrow. This one.
This is an chips. Very big size.
Show guys your eyebrow.
This is
Show what's inside. Okay. Then let's put this on your eyebrow.
this is so soft.
Next.
Oh, look at my eyebrows. Is it brown? Okay, I'm so ready.
Next. Next. Is brush on. Brush on.
Yeah, it's a puzzle.
Okay. Show everybody your powder. Your powder. Show everybody your other powder. Yeah.
Now, you can show my eyebrow.
Here the face. Shoot dito pa pwede. Look up mo ka. Dapat dili mag-move. A little movement lang. Next is blush on.
Yes. Now, the real brush on. Oh, you have to brown. That means you brush on with it. Oh. everybody. Then nine.
Next is lip tint.
This smells like bubble gum.
You know how to put lip tint? No? Ikaw lang put on your own eye. It's lower lip. Is it okay?
Yes.
Show the guys na. Sige. That's all for now, guys. Sige.
Bye guys. See you next videos.